For millions of years, the Milky Way galaxy has been host to gigantic gaseous clouds of the most deadly substance in the universe: milk. Since the dawn of man, the milk has stayed dormant, but every few thousand years, the milk clouds make contact and the earth is completely flooded. It first came before any forms of life had sprouted on the new planet, and it came again and ended the age of the dinosaur. Now it's back again, and milkier than ever. Watch out! The milk can strike anywhere! In class! At the movie theater! Show. Even at Arts for Youth camp.
We have our crazy news today. The milk has flooded all of the homes and Bridgewater. They don't have anywhere to live except in the milk.
And we are cutting and back to Bridgewater State University for some scientist expert.
Now everyone, thank you boys. Now we will talk about the milk. Now, as you may know, the Milky Way galaxy is gathered together in one big cloud of milk. And now gravity has pulled the milk cloud down to Earth, and now it shall get bigger and bigger until it takes over Earth, and then turn into the Milky Way again.
We have to destroy those clouds and the planet that is causing the Milky Way to get bigger and bigger and bigger. We have to make it stop from destroying all the buildings, houses, and the whole entire Earth.
The experts are baffled.
Experts? Milk flood?
Experts, I don't get this.
I don't either. Why is it milk? Why can't it be chocolate milk? Why can't it be Gatorade? Chocolate milk, Gatorade, chocolate milk, Gatorade.
Down in the south, we see there is torrential downpours down in Australia. And they're going to start moving up towards us. And it's going to have the biggest drought of the century.
Nothing can stop this great milk flood! This time, you should cry over spilt milk.